Raj was a young man with big dreams, but a terrible habit: procrastination. He always believed that there would be more time tomorrow. Whether it was studying, exercising, or even following his passion for painting, he would always say, "I'll do it later." Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and yet, his dreams remained dreams. One evening, as he lazily scrolled through his phone, his grandfather, an old yet wise man, sat beside him. Watching Raj waste his time, he smiled and said, "Come with me, I want to show you something. See." They walked to the backyard, where a large hourglass stood on an old wooden table. The golden sand inside trickled down slowly. "This hourglass represents life," his grandfather said, pointing at the flowing sand. "The top half is your future, the bottom half is your past, and the tiny stream of sand in between. That's your present, the only thing you truly own." Ravi watched the sand fall, mesmerized. His grandfather picked up a small bowl of water and held it over the dry ground. "This is time," he said. Then, he let the water drip down, one drop at a time. "If I waste these drops, can I put them back in the bowl?" he asked. Raj shook his head. "Exactly. Once time slips away, it's gone forever." People waste time as if they have an unlimited supply. But just like this water, once it's gone, you can never get it back. Raj felt a lump in his throat. He had wasted years postponing his dreams, assuming there would always be more time. That night, he picked up his brush and painted for the first time in years. He set a routine, started exercising, and stopped delaying things that mattered. Slowly, he saw progress, and with each passing day, he realized, life doesn't wait. Lesson. The time is the most valuable thing you have. Don't let it slip through your fingers. Start today, because that someday is a trap, and later often becomes never. Take action now. Your dreams are waiting.